want to show you guys my little project I got. This is a personal truck that I'm keeping. It's a 318 86 Ram Charger. Her nickname is Cream Puff. I absolutely love this truck. Fords or Chevys. So she's gonna get a brand new paint job. Got some minor body work to do, like right here. Got a little dent there. It's gonna be popped out. So you got stuff like, you know, little stuff like that on the trim. This is a Texas truck. This truck's been in Texas its whole life, and that's why it's so clean. Got a little bit of body work I gotta do there. I'm not doing much. I don't know if you guys can see, but man, I'm from Chicago. You got cars that are 2 years old in Chicago that don't have frames as clean as this. All right, look at that. Not even scale. You don't even call this scale. This isn't even scale. You know, I love it. Look at the inside of here, man. Zero rust whatsoever, where rust should be on these trucks. I'm gonna go ahead and start it for you guys. It's a 318. I believe it's a 2-barrel. She starts up right away. I mean, it's not fuel injected, but it acts like it's fuel injected.